In the realm of electric vehicles, all eyes are on Tesla as it gears up for a monumental event, the formal launch of its Cybertruck. The anticipation surrounding this unveiling has reached a crescendo, with Wedbush analyst Dan Ives, a distinguished 5-star analyst ranked in the top 2% of the street's stock professionals, dubbing it another historical moment for the EV pioneer. Ives, known for his insightful analyses, is particularly eager to witness the introduction of the dual-motor trim and the top-level tri-motor all-wheel drive performance model. Beyond the flashy features, Ives emphasizes the significance of receiving updates on the production and scaling of the Cybertruck platform. Projections suggest an ambitious target of approximately 250,000 units per year by fiscal year 2025, showcasing Tesla's commitment to expanding its market presence in the fiercely competitive EV landscape. While specific delivery targets for fiscal year 2024 remain elusive, it is estimated that Tesla will manufacture between 2,000 and 3,000 units in the current quarter. The first half of 2024 is anticipated to witness a production milestone, with the company aiming to achieve its first 10,000 unit quarter. To support this surge, Tesla is leveraging a pilot production capacity of 125,000 units in Austin, laying the foundation for accelerated growth. One of the key indicators of the Cybertruck's appeal lies in the reservation count and pre-orders, which have reportedly surpassed the remarkable 2 million unit mark. This staggering figure underscores the strong demand and consumer interest in Tesla's bold foray into the electric pickup truck market. It's a testament to the enduring allure of Tesla's innovative offerings and the brand's ability to capture the mindshare lead in an industry where competition is heating up. At the Cybertruck's initial unveiling in 2019, Tesla set price expectations, with the base single-motor rear-wheel drive (RWD) version priced at $39,900. The dual-motor AWD variant was positioned at $49,900, while the tri-motor AWD boasted a higher price tag of $69,900. As the Cybertruck's renaissance unfolds, Ives anticipates price updates on Thursday, with industry insiders speculating whisper numbers around $50K for the single motor. The dual and tri-motor variants are expected to fall within the range of $60K to $80K. These potential price adjustments reflect Tesla's strategic positioning in the market, aligning with consumer expectations and maintaining competitiveness in the evolving EV landscape. Ives, recognizing the broader financial landscape, acknowledges that the Cybertruck might not be a game-changer for Tesla in fiscal year 2024. However, he emphasizes that its significance extends beyond immediate financial impact, serving as a testament to Tesla's ongoing commitment to innovation and its ability to maintain a mindshare lead. In contrast, Ives suggests that many original equipment manufacturers appear to be lagging behind, caught in a metaphorical treadmill stuck in neutral. Summarily, Ives reaffirms his bullish outlook on Tesla, reiterating an outperform rating on Tesla shares. His price target of $310 implies a potential growth of 31% from current levels, underscoring his confidence in Tesla's trajectory and the impact of the Cybertruck unveiling. As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of innovation, the Cybertruck stands as a symbol of the company's visionary approach and its ability to capture the imagination of consumers in a rapidly evolving automotive landscape. In conclusion, the imminent Cybertruck unveiling is poised to be a pivotal moment for Tesla, with potential implications for the company's trajectory in the EV market. As enthusiasts and investors eagerly await the unveiling, the broader industry watches closely to discern the impact of Tesla's latest innovation. For more insights and updates on Tesla's journey and the latest developments in the electric vehicle space, stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. The future of automotive innovation is unfolding, and Tesla remains at the forefront, steering the course for the next era of sustainable transportation.